Hi everyone, my name's George. I'm a third year medical student at the UEA, and in this video I'm going to be talking about settling at uni and what to do to prepare. So before coming to uni, I'd never really lived independently. Like every so often I'd have to cook for myself at home, but that was it. And like before coming to uni, I was one of those people, like to prepare, I watched every single YouTube haul I could watch, not just the ones at the start of the year, but the end of the year as well, because there's always stuff that they're like, I didn't use that, did I? So like, those are really good to watch. And also, the student room itself has incredible guides. Like, I think their packing list, wonderful. Got most of the stuff in that, and I was sorted. In terms of advice for new students as well, one thing that I'd say, learn how to cook a chili, learn how to cook a curry, and learn how to cook a pasta. Stir fry, dead easy. Cut up vegetables, throw in a pan. A pasta, learn how to make a nice pasta sauce, because that can make a great lunch, great dinner. Chili, versatile. You can make it as a chili. You can also make it for like a pasta sauce. And then curry. Who doesn't love a curry? And then you're sorted for life.